Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our learning journey. In today's session, we are diving into the world of data analytics, what it is, why it's important, and how businesses use it to make smart decisions. Before we move forward, let's quickly recap what we learned in our last session. We talked about data analysis who finds pattern in data. We discussed business analysis who turns data into business strategies. And we explored project managers who ensure structure executing of business goals. But before we start, let me ask you a question. Have you ever noticed that Netflix recommend shows you might like even before you search for them, or that Amazon knows exactly which product to suggest? That's not magic, it's data analytics at work. And today we will uncover how this powerful field is shaping the world around us. Alright, let's get straight into it. What exactly is data analytics? Simply put, data analytics is the process of examining raw data to find trends, patterns, and insights that help in decision making. Every time you browse the internet, shop online, or even use social media, you generate data, and businesses use this data to improve their products, marketing strategies, and customer experience. There are four main types of data analytics: descriptive analytics, diagnostic analytics, predictive analytics, and prescriptive analytics. Descriptive analytics: what happened? Example: sales report shows revenue increase. Diagnostic analytics: why did it happen? Example: why did customer traffic drop last month? Predictive analytics: what will happen next? Example: forecasting future sales trends. Prescriptive analytics: what should we do about it? Example: personalized marketing strategies to increase sales. Predictive analytics: what should we do about it? Example: personalized marketing strategies to increase sales. Let's bring this to life with a real world example. How Netflix uses data analytics. Like I said first, I asked you a question. Have you ever wondered how Netflix knows exactly which shows to recommend? They use data analytics to track what you watch and how long you watch it, whether you pause, rewind, or skip videos, the time of day you watch. All this data helps Netflix predict what kind of content you will enjoy and keep you engaged. Amazon Amazon does something similar. If you have ever searched for a product and suddenly starting seeing ads for it anywhere, that's predictive analytics in action. Amazon collects data on your search history, previous purchases, product in your cart. Then it analyzes this data to recommend items and might be interested in increasing sales and improving customer experience. Let's see one more case study. Data analytics in healthcare. Now let's look at a life-saving application, healthcare analytics. Hospitals and researchers use data analytics to detect disease early, like predicting cancer from patient history, identify high-risk patients before symptoms appear, improve treatment plans based on patient data. As you can see, data analytics isn't just about business, it's transforming every industry. Now that we understand data analytics, let's talk about the tools you need to become a data analyst. Excel, used for basic data analysis, pivot tables and charts. SQL, extracts data from databases. Python, analyze large dataset using pandas and NumPy. Power BI and Tableau, create interactive dashboard and reports. We have a dataset of online sales. Let's answer three questions. Which product had the highest sale? What was the best sales month? How did discount impact revenue? As you can see, a simple data analysis process can give us valuable insights in just a few clicks. Before we wrap up, let's review what we learned today. Data analytics help businesses make better decisions. Four types of analytics: descriptive, diagnostic, predictive, perspective. Real world application in Netflix, Amazon, and healthcare. Ascension tools: Excel, SQL, Python, Power BI. Now it's your turn for questions. What was the most interesting part of today's class? Please tell me in the comment. Which tools are you most excited to learn? Can you think of another industry where data analytics in use? Great job today. In our next class, we will explore data collection and cleaning and essential steps before we analyze data. And we will also do hands-on practice. We will learn some tools like Excel, SQL. Step by step, we will learn everything. Okay, bye.
Free audio post production by alphonic.com.